Hello everyone, I'm Nazarat Fatima. Welcome to LiveLaw. You all are aware about Manipur violence, which arose due to the Manipur High Court's direction to the state government to consider the inclusion of Meitei community in the scheduled tribes list and other simmering factors. The tribals who are already enjoying the status of scheduled tribes opposed this direction, and the unrest started within the communities, including the tribals and non-tribals. During the violence, the tribals living in forests in hundreds were evicted, a mob partially managed to set fire to a gym, many churches in Imphale's tribal community area were demolished, and many people were killed and numbers injured. The center had deployed forces, but the tribals were not happy with the adequacy of the forces in the state. The situation was so bad that even shoot-at-sight orders were issued by the Manipur government. Coming back to what the issue was about and what the apex court has put forth. The Supreme Court on 17th of May made strong remarks against the High Court's direction to the state government to consider the inclusion of Meitei community in the scheduled tribes list. The Supreme Court expressed its inclination towards staying the order of the Manipur High Court, but did not pass any such order, considering the fact that an appeal is pending before the division bench against the order. The Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, orally said, and I quote, "I think we have to stay the order of the High Court. We have given Justice Muralidharan time to correct himself, but he did not. I mean, it's very clear what to do if the High Court does not follow Constitution judge benches." The Solicitor General, Mr. Tushar Mehta, in response to this said, "In all fairness, it was the decision of the government to only ask for extension because it's one tribe versus another. Considering the position on the ground, we chose not to seek stay and only sought extension because it would have an impact on situation on ground." He also added that 1-year extension had been granted by the single judge in the matter as per the request of the state. A single judge bench of Acting Chief Justice M.V. Muralidharan of the Manipur High Court had passed the order, and it became the main reason for such violence and disruption of peace in the entire state of Manipur. Although the Supreme Court criticized the order passed by the Manipur High Court, it did not order a stay on the High Court judgment. It is important to mention that during the last hearing, the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, had remarked that the High Court judgment was contrary to several Constitution bench judgments which hold that judicial orders cannot be passed to change the scheduled tribes list, as it is a presidential power. Meanwhile, with regard to the appeal filed before the division bench of the High Court against the judgment of the single judge, the court said that aggrieved parties could present their case before the division bench, and senior advocate Colin Gonsalves, who was appearing for the Manipur Tribal Forum, Delhi, said that it would be unsafe. He said, and I quote, "We cannot appear before the High Court. No Kuki lawyer is appearing before the High Court because the village is 1 kilometer away. It is very dangerous. It is not possible for Kukis to go. Neither the victims can go nor the lawyers." As a solution to this problem, he sought the protection of army for the safety of victims in the matter, and the Solicitor General intervened to say that it was factually incorrect. As such, the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, noted the submissions and said that the hearing can take place virtually and they can ask the Chief Justice to accommodate. And since the appeal was pending before the High Court, the Supreme Court asked the parties to make their submissions before the division bench of the Manipur High Court. In addition to this, the Solicitor General also submitted a status report which indicated that significant improvement can be seen and various steps have been taken to bring normalcy in the state. The status report also provides details on development before the High Court of Manipur. It states that a writ appeal has been filed before the Manipur High Court and a notice has been issued in the same. The matter will now be heard by the High Court of Manipur on 6th of June 2023. That's all about it for today. We hope you like our content. If you do, please like and share. Also subscribe to our channel on YouTube and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.